How to fix your mic on Roblox Mobile. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can fix if your mic is not working on Roblox Mobile. So without further delay, let's get into this video. Now to use the voice chat feature on Roblox, make sure that you're over 13 years old, you are verified, and you have enabled a voice chat in the settings. And also make sure that Roblox has permission access to your phone for the microphone. So to fix it, first of all, check the microphone permission. On your Android device, open up settings and you could head over to the application at the top, head over to Roblox, tap on permission, tap on microphone and tap on allow while using the application. So once you have enabled microphone access to Roblox, now go back and check the mic in a voice chat if it is working or not. If that still does not help you, make sure that your voice chat is turned on inside the Roblox. So you have to open up Roblox, navigate to the bottom right, tap on more, scroll down and search for privacy, tap on it, and there you'll find an option as voice chat. And make sure that you have turned it off. You will only see this option if your age and ID are verified. And if still not working, you can log out of your Roblox. Tap on more, tap on log out, and once you log out, uninstall the Roblox application. So head over to your Roblox application on your device, then you can tap and hold on it. Head over to app info, tap on uninstall, and once you uninstall the application, you could reinstall it from the Google Play Store or App Store. Then log in and test your mic again. This will reset permission and will fix any bug. So that's it. That's how you can fix your mic on Roblox Mobile. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.